What's up, YouTube? It's RJ here, and today I'm going to be talking about trading versus investing. Trading and investing are two terms that are used pretty loosely when talking about stocks in the stock market. Although they have their similarities, they definitely have their differences. Today I'm going to be talking about some of those similarities and differences between trading and investing. The goal in the long term is the same. The goal is to make money, okay? But trading and investing have two very different ways of getting to that goal, okay? So first I'm going to be talking about investing. Investing is long term. When someone invests into a stock, they are thinking they're going to be holding it for a year, 5 years, 20 years. Some people even hold it for a lifetime and pass it on to their kids. Short-term price movements in a stock does not matter to someone who plans on investing in things for the long term. Okay, so they're not worrying about what the stock has done, the past day or the past couple days or sometimes even the past month. They're looking at these stocks as, okay, I know over the years, I know this stock will appreciate in value. All right. So investing is a great way to gain passive income. It is great for people, who are a little bit more busy in life. Some people have jobs to where they work throughout, the middle of the day, or some people work all day long. So people won't really have the time to be checking in up on these stocks, throughout the day periodically, due to them having to work or them being busy. So investing, you don't have to, you don't have to be checking it, every single second of the day. I know some people who invest and they only check their stocks, every couple weeks, every month, because, they're not worried about these short-term price movements. So now let's talk about trading. Trading is a lot more short-term than investing. So in trading, a short-term price movement can make a large difference to someone who is trading a stock. There are two types of trading, mostly that people do, and that would be day trading and swing trading. So day trading is when you buy and sell a stock the same day. So when you're buying and selling a stock in the same day, you could imagine that someone's going to be putting a good amount of money into it to be able to see a significant amount of money, in the same day. So with that being said, small price movements will make a major difference in someone who is trading, in particular day trading. Okay, so day trading is very risky. 90% of traders actually lose. 90% of traders lose. So the odds are definitely not in your favor when trading, but there are ways that people do their best to be able to win these trades, and that would be using technical analysis. So they would be using charts, or they would use a catalyst such as news, or something about the CEO of a company, different things to try to gain an edge on a stock for a short-term price movement. Okay, so when you're trading, you're just trying to find any type of edge that you can to gain the upper hand for a short-term price movement. The other type of trading is swing trading, which swing trading is just when you're buying and holding a stock for longer than a given day. Okay, so if you buy a stock and you sell it 2 days from now, that's a swing trade. If you buy and sell it 2 weeks from now, it's still a swing trade. Okay, so swing trading, they're not worried as much about the short-term price movement, but they definitely still are worried about it. Trading stocks, it takes more time, and the reason that it takes more time is because, like I'm saying, you're worried about the short-term price movement. People are putting up a lot of money to get a lot of money back in a very short time. Okay, so one thing about trading that I will tell you guys is, if you want to get into trading and you're the type of person where you think you're going to become rich overnight, you're not going to do that. You're not going to do that. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Even though you see these people on YouTube, on different social medias, they're in these exotic cars and telling you buy their course and they can guarantee you that you're going to be, like them. That is not true at all. Everyone's trading path is different. And I'll be the first one to tell you that it is not a it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. Trading takes a lot of patience. It takes having a good mindset, and you're going to have to be aware of what's going on, and you're going to have time on your hands to be able to look at those trades. When you're trading, depending on what you are trading and how much money you are trading with, you can gain a significant amount and lose a significant amount very quickly. Okay, so trading is definitely more risky. It's more time consuming, and you just have to have a different mindset when you are trading rather than investing. These people that's investing, they're not worried about these little $2 moves. Okay, but people that are trading, those $2 moves can be the difference between them making or losing $500-600, you know, depending on how much they're putting up. Okay, back to investing. People who are investing, when a stock drops, you know, say if the stock drops $2, a person who is investing is going to be looking to buy. All right, so the reason for that is, like I said, they're not worried about these little short price movements. They're not worried about a stock that's dropping $2. If they see a price drop, you know, a few dollars, they're going to be looking at this as a buying opportunity. And the reason for that is because they're thinking long term. They're thinking years down the road. So a great analogy for that is, say if you're a type of person that likes to buy clothes, and you go to a store and you already have a lot of clothes, but you go to a store and you see something you like, that you've been looking at for a while, and you're like, I was gonna buy this anyway, but I see it on sale now, so I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy more right now. That is investing. Okay, so when people see something drop, you know, they're gonna be buying when it drops. Whereas trading, people are using what is called a stop loss. Okay, so people use a stop loss, you know, they use it for the point where they're gonna get out of a trade. Okay, and stop losses can be different in different places, you know, depending on the stock and how the stock moves. All right, so people that are investing, they don't have a stop loss. They don't have a point where they say, okay, if the stock gets to this point, I'm going to get out of it. They're just going to looking at it as, okay, if a stock drops to this point, I'm just going to buy more. Okay, and once again, the reason for that is you have two different mindsets when you are trading and when you are investing. Okay, so trading versus investing, both are great. They're both great ways to get income, but you just have to have two different mindsets when doing the two. If you are interested in trading or investing, there are definitely some great ways to get started. There are a few apps that you could use, and the great thing about trading and investing, there is a way that you can trade and invest if you want to practice without using your real money, and that is called paper trading. So paper trading, just when you can buy stocks, you know, without your own money. You can just see how you would do. Some great apps for paper trading is TD Ameritrade and Webull. Those two apps are trading apps to where you can paper trade on them as much as you want without using your real money. You just have to sign up and you can go from there. In conclusion, trading and investing are both two great ways to add another source of income for yourself or for your family. Me personally, I do both of them, but the way that you would really decide whether you want to trade or whether you want to invest or do a little bit of both will really depend on your goal. All right, and then from, you know, choosing your goal, you'll also choose what stocks you'll want to invest in, and we can talk about that in another video. So I hope that this video was very informative for you. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe.